Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do my 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have Leetcode 74, search a 2D matrix. So write an efficient algorithm that searches for a value in an m time n matrix. So this matrix has following properties. Integer in each row are sorted from left to right, and the first integer of each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. So what that mean is the order will be like small all the way like this, and then this 7, after 7 field, and then we fill second row, and all the way to the end of the matrix. So this is this question. We will have this matrix get imported, and we have a target which is 3 in here. So we are looking for the 3. If there's 3 in this matrix, then we return true. If we cannot find the target, then we return false. So in this case, at 13 in here, so you cannot find it, then it's false. So usually looking for a duration in an efficient algorithm, we can think about the binary search. So in here, if we humanly calculate it, we can find the row. So if the row right here, we cut the row in half, look at the middle one first, and see 10 is bigger than target. And then after 10, everything after 10 will be ignored. And we will keep searching the area less than 10. So now we find the row, which is this one, and we cut it in half for this row. And we have this pointer pointing to here, and check, oh, now this is a middle of this row. We found the 3. So every time by cutting the row in half until we find the row. After we find the row, we cut it in half and to find the column until we find it. So that's one of the brute force idea of this question. But looking at the solution, we find now that now this is a matrix. And we can think about this matrix in one array by sorting 1 to 7, and then after that is 10. So put everything in one array. So we can just cut this array by half. And for example, we see 11 in the middle, which is 11 right here. And then we 11, we have row is 3, row is 3, column is 4. So we know using by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for example, 6 right here, 6 mod 4 is 2. So now we get the row right here is at row 2. And then the column will be 6 mod, 6 divided by 4, then is the row. 6 mod 4 is the column. Then we know this is the number at the half of this array. Then we compare with this number to the target. It's same as the binary search, but in different format. So I think this is really good questions. If you haven't done the binary search before, and you can go back to my video and check it out. But now we just take a look at the code in this format. So now we check the corner case for matrix dot length equal to 0. At next time, then we return false. Now we know how many number in here. So we'll have, we just make a row first equal to matrix dot length and column equal to matrix 0 and okay, now we have row and column. So the starting point will be starting point will start at 0, and the ending point is row time column minus 1. like what we see in here. So we have this array, and we have started from 0, and then n times m minus 1. So we will have a while loop, binary search while loop, start less n equal in here, the n, right? And we find the mid, cut it in half. The mid will be equal to star plus n minus star divided by 2. This is one of the basic template. The current, now we have the index, but now we need to know the current integer is matrix. Like what we said, will be mid divided by column is the row, and mid mod column will be the current row. So now we have current as an integer. So if the current is equal to target, then we found it. Then return true. Now if current larger than, actually target larger than current, in that case we can if target is larger than that, then we can, is for example mid here, and then we can move this starting pointer from here to all the way to the end. Then else, then ends to mid minus 1, not including mid. So that's it for this while loop. So if you loop through the whole entire matrix, we see no problem, then we return false. Now, that's it for this question. I ran it before, sorry. And run it one more time for the new code. And it sounds good. Cool. And that will be this question. And hopefully it's really straightforward and just in different form. It's good to practice sometime. Hopefully if you have any question, please comment it below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.